K. You might also know me as Bits of Brie over on my blog and my Instagram. In today's Clean With Me video, I wanted to give you some extreme cleaning motivation so that in 1 hour, you can have your home looking nice, neat, clean, and tidy. I'm showing you the biggest bang for your buck tricks of what you can clean so that if you're tidying up for your mother-in-law or want your whole home to look clean before your husband gets home or a girlfriend stops over, here's the way to do it. So, you know, you can look like you've been, cleaning all day, but the house is nice and clean in just 1 hour. So I'm gonna start the timer on my phone here. 1 hour, let's go. I've got my cleaning playlist on and my AirPods, yes, earbuds. I like never know what to call them. All right, let's go, let's get cleaning. You're gonna clean with me. Click the thumbs up if this video gives you lots of cleaning motivation today too. Let's go. So here's my quick walkthrough to see what I need to tackle the quickest. Any area that needs a quick declutter and tidy, I'm gonna do that really fast. So my foyer area needed a quick pickup, so I'm gonna clean up these boots and coats to make this space more pleasing on the eyes for whatever guest comes into our home. And I'll tell you my 2 tips for a speed cleanup. First, declutter and tidy. Put things away. The second is to make sure everything smells amazing. Light a candle, spray an air freshener, use some lovely scented cleaning products. Whether you're into oils or Mrs. Meyer's, you do you. Everything in moderation is my belief, but whatever you use, make your home smell lovely before your guests arrive. And if you don't have time to put everything in its proper space, put things in a closet or a bin or a laundry room until you can really organize. That is totally okay for this speed clean. What I hope that you get out of this, besides cleaning motivation for a super quick clean, is just to know you do not need to be perfect. And you know what? If you cannot clean your entire house in this hour, that's okay. If your guests see a mess, it happens. You're human, and whoever is coming over your house also has messes in their house too. So just know you do not need to be perfect all of the time. Your mental health matters more than stressing out over making sure your house looks perfect. But you know me, I enjoy cleaning, so if I can do a quick speed clean in an hour, which to me is manageable if both my kids nap, which has been hit or miss these days, an area I always like to clean before a guest comes is our powder room. I feel like everyone at some point asks to use your restroom, so make sure that it is clean. I have everything wiped down. That way it smells nice in here. And even if you don't have time to clean all day, at least this space that they will use will smell nice and clean. And also a little hack, I leave the toilet cleaner sitting in the toilet. I don't flush it, so that way it keeps the smell of cleaning in the air. And I'd like to thank HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. I made this meal after a week of traveling, and it was just so nice to have everything I needed to cook my family a fresh meal delivered right to my door. When it comes to staying sane when life is busy, HelloFresh is a go-to to take the stress out of meal planning. It's so delicious. There's over 22 recipes to choose from online each week. It saves me so much time meal planning and grocery shopping because I can make this meal in 30 minutes after it's delivered right to my door. I love that everything is pre-portioned, which means I don't waste food. And it's just so easy to change delivery days or food choices. You can skip a week whenever you need to. And HelloFresh is now from $5.66 per serving, and it's America's #1 meal kit. Give it a try. Go to HelloFresh.com and use the code Brianna K10 during HelloFresh's New Year's sale, and you'll get 10 free meals, including free shipping. I'll have that link down in my description box below so that you can try HelloFresh. Okay, official taste test. So good. This is so delicious. And that was so nice just to throw together. Since I flew on an airplane all night, got no sleep, didn't have to worry about anything besides opening the box and cooking this. So could not recommend HelloFresh to you more. And I'm just going to continue making sure the rooms that the guests see are decluttered. I'm going to pick up the pillows and throws, make sure that the couch looks straightened, and do a quick sweep of this room so that some of the visible dust on the floor is all swept up. Didn't even see me, cases a day. Feeling every day like I'm going insane. 'Cause you and I are something I wish for every day. So I hope you look On to the kitchen. I wanted to make sure the table was cleared off and countertops were cleared off as well, and that all of the dishes that had been piled up in the sink were put away. This way the kitchen looks nice, neat, and clean. A speed cleaning hack, it helps if you do a quick wipe down of your stainless steel appliances. I either use vinegar or glass cleaner, but this way you get the most bang for your buck by making sure these are nice and streak free, and it will look extra clean but doesn't take too much time. I've shared this hack in other videos, but I always empty the trash bins before guests come. This way there isn't any garbage odors smelling up the home. Another quick hack, if you put some drops of essential oil down your garbage disposal, run a little bit of water, run the garbage disposal, and it makes it smell instantly fresher. I also spray a few sprays of multi-purpose cleaner into the sink after I've wiped it all out. And kind of the same theory as the toilet, the scent of the cleaner lingers in the air, makes it smell like you've been cleaning all day, even if you just did the quickest clean of your life. Next, I'm lighting a candle so that our home smelled really nice while I finished up cleaning. A quick visibility test, there were a lot of visible fingerprints and smudges on our sliding door from the kids and the dog as they let our dog Coley in and out. So I just cleaned off this window. Instead of cleaning all the windows, I just picked the one to get the biggest bang for my buck. And this desk in our kitchen, it always accumulates clutter. So I got everything cleared off of it quickly by just stashing some stuff in the laundry room. Even though I wasn't going through the mail yet either, I just made the mail piles look nice and neat in that hanging organizer so this entire space looks more tidy. Now I'm going to hit the floors with my steam mop and some drops of my Mandarin essential oils that I got from Vassar Beauty here on YouTube. She is so sweet, but these just make the home smell amazing and guests walk in to nice clean floors and that amazing smell.
When you kiss me, I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. You took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart.
I'm also going to vacuum all the way up the foyer stairs. Again, visibility test. They will look nice and clean when you first come into the house. And now I'm taking a laundry basket that had some declutter items in it and just putting them back into their place in the kids' rooms. This was a very quick tidy. I did not have much to put away. And please notice I'm not dusting or doing anything extra, just putting things away so it looks neat, making the beds so they're tidy, and doing a very quick vacuum of their rooms so that there are nice, fresh vacuum lines on the floor.
Who would have thought I'd be up on cloud nine? I would never take our love for granted. Love how you make me feel alive when you're with me. Took the pain away, didn't mind my scars and my broken heart.
And in my son's room, I also did a little tidy of his bookshelf. We rainbow color coded this, and it just keeps it looking so much more organized in here.
Come rain or come shine, I don't mind 'cause I'm right next to you. It's true, right next to you. Next to you.
At this point, I checked my timer and I had under 10 minutes, so I did a very quick tidy up of the kids' bathroom, not a deep clean. Sometimes guests will come up here to use this bathroom, so I just cleaned all their bath toys up, tidied up the sink area, wiped it down with the Clorox wipe very quickly. This way I knew at least the sink area was clean and it smelled clean in here too. Okay, the timer is going off on my phone. Let me turn it off. Okay, so I figured I would just kind of show you the method to my madness is that when you come into the house, it smells good and looks tidy. I'm out of breath after that hour, not gonna lie. But okay, here. So you can see upon coming in, the floors are nice and clean. It smells like that mandarin essential oil in here. Stairs are vacuumed. And when you enter the foyer area, this is all tidy up. Now the closet isn't completely organized, but most guests will take off their shoes and hang their coats right here. And you can offer to do that for them. And bathroom is all clean. It smells amazing in here. I love that new purple wand too. When you clean the toilet, that's purple. I don't know why, I get such a kick out of it. Oh, and full transparency. So our laundry room is where I hid a couple of the things that were on the desk area in there so that when someone comes into the kitchen, it is just nice and crisp and clean. The counters are cleared off, tables cleared off. This little area here is completely made over, and even just kind of stacking the mail nice and neatly helped a bunch too. These candles smell so amazing. It just smells like lavender in here. It's so calm and peaceful, clearly putting the dog to sleep. But having the couch and the pillows all organized is great. And I obviously tidied up the kids' bedrooms, so if friends or cousins or family or something like that is coming over and they might end up in the kids' bedrooms, at least they look tidy for now. They get like destroyed instantly, right? But that was kind of how in a fast hour you can get your home looking nice, neat, clean, and tidy. Don't forget to click the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I hope that it helps give you lots of cleaning motivation today or the next time that you're in a pinch and you need a very quick cleanup of your house. Put this video on, clean with me, get it all done in an hour with me. And make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you're new. And again, I will link HelloFresh down in my description box below. Definitely check HelloFresh out. I absolutely love it. Could not recommend it to you more. And it's just another way to save yourself some time when it comes to meal planning and just help that mental headspace. And again, like, your home does not need to be perfect. Whether it is your mother-in-law, a girlfriend, your husband, everybody knows that you work really, really, really hard. But I do know, as a perfectionist, you kind of want to show off your space. Like, you spend all of this time homemaking and trying to have this beautiful home that when other people come over, you want it to look really nice. So I totally get it. But if for some reason that pressure is on you, you can also just tell who's ever coming over, hey, reality of life is today, I couldn't clean this place up the way that I would like. And you know, it just shows that you're human, and it will make people love you even more if you're not afraid to share the real and vulnerable side to yourself. Don't think everything has to be perfect. That is not why people love you. People love you for who you are, and how God created you. I promise, I promise, I promise you. But all right, I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves. Hey, loves, it's Brianna. Come on. Oh my God, that snowblower noise. I'm so distracted right now. Welcome to Cleveland, Ohio. Okay, I gotta get going. Got an hour. Let's go. Crazy lady talking to herself alone in her house after work, or you just want the house neat and neat. That's snowblower noise. Can't even get out my words.